Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can record your meeting in Google Meet in a few steps. So this is what you want to do is when you're in a Google Meet, this is how I do it and how I recommend doing it. So go to new meeting because I think this is the safest way. When I'm going to start an Insta meeting, you can see me right here, right? So I'm going to join now, and let's say the meeting is starting and I'm adding people and things like that, right? But what you want to do is go to OBS Studio and download this program. And it's loading right now. So this is my studio. Oh, give me a second. This is my studio, and this is what I recommend doing. It's completely for free. So OBS download. Just download it for Chrome or whatever. It's loading right now, okay. And when it will be here, I recommend just adding a scene. It's pretty simple. And just add here display capture. And it will automatically record all the display you got. Yes, and then I recommend choosing desktop audio that you are going to get by settings and properties. Device, it needs to be the same device as Google Meet, right? So this one. And then the last thing I recommend, choosing where you want it to the recording to go, right? That's another way. And choose MP4. And now, when the how it's called, the meeting is going to start, before that, just start recording the display. Okay, now I'm speaking and everything else is going on, right? And I'm speaking and speaking and speaking, and everything else will be recording for around 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever. Then I'm going to stop the recording right after the meeting ends. I will go here to my recording. And I'm going to open. Start recording the display. Okay, now I'm speaking and everything else is going on, right? And I'm speaking and speaking and speaking, and everything else will be recording for around 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever. Then I'm going to stop the recording right after the meeting. And voila. And this is how you can record your whole meeting in Google Meet. So using the OBS. Again, I will show you, it's download OBS project. And you just download the installer. You can do it for Mac, for Linux. It's really up to you, and it's pretty easy. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Thank you everybody, and goodbye.